If you need to clean your Dyson floor head, one of the first steps is to release the end cap, but sometimes they just won't budge. If this is happening to you, just grab a bit of WD-40 and we're going to carefully spray it into the seams on the end cap and then leave it a couple of minutes. Just wipe off any bits that you've got all over the brush like me, but to be fair, we're going to be cleaning all this in a second anyway. And now we're going to get the coin and try it again, and this may well work, and then you can just pull out your brush bar and carry on with your cleaning as normal. But if it's still not budging, grab a pair of pliers, and basically we're grabbing the coin with the pliers for extra strength when we're turning it. Then put your coin in and give it a good old turn, and that will definitely release your end cap. I hope this video has helped you. Please comment which method worked for you, or if you had to use both methods. This next video is how to clean your Dyson floor head. I also have some other ones if this isn't your exact model.